Have you ever woken up in the morning after what should have been a restful night and felt like you didn't sleep at all? You spent hours in bed, yet when you get up, you're still feeling drained and depleted. Maybe this happens night after night, and it starts to feel like no matter how much rest you get, no matter how much sleep you've had, it's never quite enough. So what's going on? Why does it seem like we're constantly running on empty even after we've rested? Here's what I want you to know. It's often not about the amount of sleep, but the quality of sleep. Our minds and our bodies can accumulate a lot of stress and tension over time. And when we carry that tension, whether it's emotional or physical or mental, it blocks us from entering the deeper, juicier, more restorative stages of sleep. So even though we're in bed and we're in bed for hours, we're actually not getting the kind of rest that truly restores us, truly replenishes us. Now, this isn't a sign that you don't need sleep and you don't need rest anymore. It's quite the opposite. It's a signal that you likely need more. The tension and stress your body is holding is needing to be addressed and released so that you can go deeper and truly restore your energy. So what can you do? Start by being really gentle with yourself. This isn't a sign of failure, but an invitation to dig deeper into your healing, whether it's through somatic practices, relaxation techniques, or simply creating space for emotional release. Addressing the root cause of this fatigue will help you begin to restore balance. Now, if you're feeling stuck or exhausted, even after resting, I invite you to take the next step. Let's explore what's going on beneath the surface of this fatigue and the stress and create a personalized plan to help you restore your energy and vitality. Schedule a free consultation with me and let's talk. Let's talk together about how to address the deeper causes of your exhaustion so you can finally feel the true rest and replenishment that you deserve.